Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Smart Launcher on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and from here just search Smart Launcher. Now just download the Smart Launcher 6 on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now just tap on Get Started and from here just scroll down and select this box which says by continuing you agree to the Smart Launcher 6 Terms of Services. Now once you select this option, just tap on Continue. Now just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now just select Set as Default. Now from this list, just select Smart Launcher 6 and tap on Set as Default. And this is how you can install Smart Launcher on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.